Products promotion. German Jingling Refrigeration Industry Co. Limited is a manufacturer specializing in refrigeration machinery for food industry. Our company has over 20 years experience. With the strong support of technology, advanced processing and testing equipment, we can design many different types and different functions of machines to meet the customer's desire. Our major products now are series of ice cream machines, slush freezers, water chillers, stirring ice machines, and so on, with decades of varieties for your choice. Our products have got the certificate of ISO 9001-2000 and the certificate of Europe CE, the certificate of CB. With a guarantee of quality, considerate service, our products receive warm welcome by the customers in home and abroad. We have sales network in more than 20 provinces and cities in China, and our products are also exported to the Southeast Asia, Philippines, India, Russia, Europe, America, Australia, and many other countries and areas. The characteristics of the ice cream machine series are good-looking, very easy to operate, convenient, reliable, multifunctional, and with many different varieties. The ice cream machine with the function of holding temperature can keep the ice cream material, which is left after production, in the machine within 12 hours. Thus can save the material and the trouble to clean and dismount the discharge flow block. Very simple to use and convenient. For the adaptability of our machines, anywhere with the power voltage can use our products to make the delicious cold drink. For example, hotels, recreation places, factories, schools, tourism spots, cold drink shops, restaurants, downtowns, countries, and so on. Small investment, quick feedbacks, and small risk. Jingling refrigeration machinery is your best choice to be a rich boss. Now we give a brief introduction to our products, about the model and the characteristics. You can choose the one to meet your desire. Ice cream machine series. Large production time ice cream machine, BQ368. Use the 3-phase power supply, 380 volts. The rating is 4.2 kW. The production capacity is 32 to 36 kg per hour. Double compressor and high production type ice cream machine, BQ336. Use the single-phase power supply, 220 volts. The rating for one compressor is 1.6 kW. The production capacity is 22 to 28 kg per hour. Hot ice cream machine, air swept type, and tap water cooling type. Use the 3-phase power supply, 380 volts. The rating is 3.4 kW. The production capacity is 28 to 42 kg per hour. The luxury and high production type ice cream machine, BQ833, use the single-phase power supply, 220 volts. The rating is 2.6 kW. The production capacity is 20 to 25 kg per hour. The standard and high production type ice cream machine, BQ633, use the single-phase power supply, 220 volts. The rating is 2.6 kW. The production capacity is 20 to 25 kg per hour. The universal use and high production type ice cream machine, BQ333, use the single-phase power supply, 220 volts. The rating is 2.6 kW. The production capacity is 20 to 25 kg per hour. The luxury type ice cream machine, BQ820, Use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.7 kW. The production capacity is 11 to 15 gram per hour. The standard type ice cream machine BQ620 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.7 kW. The production capacity is 11 to 15 kg per hour. The universal use type ice cream machine BQ320 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.7 kW. The production capacity is 11 to 15 kg per hour. The universal use type ice cream machine BQ318 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.7 kW. The production capacity is 11 to 14 kg per hour. The desktop and stainless type ice cream machine BQ316 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.7 kW. The production capacity is 11 to 15 kg per hour. The single groove type ice cream machine BQ113 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.6 kW. The production capacity is 10 to 14 kg per hour. The desktop and stainless type mini ice cream machine BQ106 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.8 kW. The production capacity is 5 to 8 kg per hour. The bar type mini ice cream machine BQ105 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.44 kW. The production capacity is 5 to 7 kg per hour. The slush freezer series, including the upright type and the horizontal type. The upright type slush freezer has different patterns, such as the single drawer, double drawers, three drawers, and drawers. Thus has the effect of strong innovation and advertisement. The horizontal type slush freezer